Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, and I thank God for the gift of life. Man, today it's on Saturday, and I wish you happy Servant Day if you are a servant on these videos. I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you, and enjoy your Sabbath day, guys. And actually, here is where I'm charging my phone before I leave, man. It's 58. I'm using actually this small power bank here to boost my phone, and maybe let me put it like this way. It's falling down. And actually I use this cable. It's for the GoPro, for charging my camera, but at the same time I'm charging my phone here. So guys, today's videos are very special, guys. This is my chilling ghetto. We call it ghetto in Jamaica. So today's videos are very special, and I thank God. Right now I'm left for the fresh air getting in, and I'm heading outside so to see what is going on. Wherever you are, I wish you the best servant day. And over here, the mama tried to have some sweaters here. This is my sister drinking tea. Kunywa. So, and I want to say, like, who do like that? So there's one of my friends told me to show some love to my sister. Wow. So that's my mom. Mom, say hello.
Hello.
Yes. And guys, I think previous day my mama, she was feeling so sick. There's some stuff here, but I came to make it. So previous day my mom feels so sick, and I was rushing to hospital, and it was a midnight, and man, I rushed there, and I said, wow, I want to make some videos, but I forget. So there's my mom, and they were being injected. And also, guys, we accompanied with my brother who live inside here, and we left my sister with our young brother. So that is the story for another day, guys. I'm heading outside. Wow, I miss our smoke kitchen, guys. There is some diffusion of chapati here. All smell of chapati. Actually, the pan is this one over here. There is chapati inside here, and my mama was making chapati, if I'm not wrong. So guys, we're heading outside and to see what is going on. Welcome. Today's vlog, guys. I'm outside, and today's videos I wanna do a surprise by itself. And actually, I was saying one day I'll do something amazing to my mama, and actually it's happened. It keep pushing on my heart, and technically I wanna do so. So today we on the process of looking for the vehicles to drop some materials. And actually, guys, I thank God for this far. You keep supporting me until the end. There's some cold. You see my hand, guys. It's because maybe I have some malaria on my body, but I didn't know. Well, the purpose of these trees, but I came to take showers. And I was saying one day, to be honest, I built my mama dream house, and actually it's 3-bedroom, which is not too much expensive. And I will show you maybe tomorrow's videos, but today I was making an arrangement for transporting material to my mom's dream house soon, guys. Boom. This is my motorbike over here, and today I'm trying to clean. You can see, guys, from the far end it's already clean, and it's helped me a lot. I can't complain. It's helped me a lot. So today's videos, man, I'm very grateful. I want to start buying materials slowly. And actually, guys, to be honest, I don't want maybe to blag things. Guys, listen careful. Today I'm surprising my mom with a frame area where the dream house will be putting maybe next year, but for now I'm starting buying materials as I can. And if you are not believing on that, wait tomorrow, you shall see. But I give you maybe a clue about what's happened and what is going on. So guys, let's head this way, man, to check another project. But I think 70% we almost done. We remaining only with tiling and ceiling board, and then we say goodbye. And by now, man, I had a lot of work to do, but I'm not competing with other people. I'm just do what is keep pushing me. And these things I was saying several times on my videos, on David Junior's videos. Maybe guys, sorry to say that, but I want to do something else for my mama house, guys. So look how my mama, hey, mama's, oh, you don't need there. This is how my mama dries her hair and care. So it's because the sun goes that way, so they want to capture the sun and dry the jacket here. You know, right now we have a lot of rain here. Whoo! Mom, how do you feel? Before I say that, yeah, because my mom was moodless. She was sick, and I want to do something for her, which are very, very special. So, Mama, I will come later to tell you what is going on. Yes, so I don't want maybe to pressure up my mama. But let's continue these videos, and I'll tell the end of my videos what's going on, man. So welcome to my project. This is another project over here, and man, you done a lot of work to me. You show me some love, and I'm just here to show you what's going on. And actually, when I get the money, I'm always the guy who maybe spend money on construction. Man, look, and it's 4 doors, and I'm showing you, maybe in case you're new here, this is the project which I was. And if you remember my videos, I was talking about from May this year, I want to build my mama modern toilet. And by now, guys, dream come to the reality. I build, and this is my first washroom, but first and last is the washroom, but the middle 2 doors are the toilet. So guys, if you remember, I was talking about one day I will build my mama dream house. No, I will build my mom modern toilet. And for now, guys, dream are varied, dream are come true. And when you believe in God, everything shall happen, man. So by now, guys, I think this week at the same time, I'm going to finish this place here and put some ceiling board inside. So let me take you inside, guys. In case you're new here, I want to give you a quick tour. Over there, that's my mama over there, and you see most of the people plow some garden. So this is the month of planting some seeds or some commodities like maize, food. And this is the back of the toilet. Man, it's so big. Even here, it can give you some improvement. It's 4 rooms. You can see that's 1 ventilation, 2, 3, 4, and it's so huge. So guys, the only thing that we remain with is putting here some we calling fisher board to create the fitness or the goodness of the toilet. And then guys, you can assist me here. Can I paint here, or putting some we called rough cast. So rough cast, and here I want to paint some colors. Guys, I want to know in the comment section. But for me, here I know 100% to paint some colors. And here I will paint black because of the splashness of the water that drop from the iron sheet during raining time. So it can drop here and then splash to this wall. I will paint here black, here going up to that way around. And then so this is the entrance. Oh, we have a beautiful car over here. What's up? And we have this is the entrance. And actually before I take you inside, I'll come So the timbers for making for installation of ceiling board, I will use these trees here, these two of them, because I want to cut them here down. So maybe in future when we left here some trees, it can affect my toilet, guys. Sure. And these trees which is along near to the toilet, like these trees, other one going that way, I'll cut them, guys. Look, I will cut them because in future it wanna maybe fall and then affect this wall here. Trust me, I'll cut them. So before we do, so let me take you out inside. And I miss my construction, man, to be honest. And in case you're new here, I'm showing you, man, what I'm running on this community, what I'm running on my village here, guys. Look, so this is an entrance, like boom, right, like crazy. So you see, guys, as I told you, we're remaining with the fish up board and then putting some ceiling. This is my mama washroom and it's so huge. So putting ceiling board inside here, it can cost 1 day. And I have an professional masons or carpenter, in other way, I don't know, in the comment section we call maybe mason, carpenter, but they want to fix 1 day and finish everything. Maybe putting some timbers to create some where they can fix some ceiling board, maybe cost 1 day, and the following day maybe to fix some ceiling board. But I will make an agreement. May pay them, I pay him money and then I left him some work to do. Maybe they can do like 1 day, 2 days, I don't care. But when we make an agreement and I pay him some money, they can do so. So guys, the reason why I put some ceiling board is because of the iron sheet. Maybe there's some insect we call some insects maybe, and then when taking shower they can drop. But when you put some ceiling board and it's smooth, when it's step there and move coming down, and at the same time because of this sands here, the remaining one, and man, when you're taking shower, at least you feel good that you are in a good position. Wow, guys, so I don't want to maybe to talk much about my project, but I talk for those who are new here. So I'll show you a little bit, and here I will put also some tiles from there. Let me say the truth. From here up to far end, I'll put tiles, and here also I'll put tiles, but the other side I will paint, and down here I'll put tiles even down. So at the door here we have some sandals like mine here for entrance. Maybe you come from outside with some mud, you left outside with your shoes, and then you take for the loose for the washroom, toilet, you enter with it. So let me show you here. So this is the second toilet for my mom, and this door, it has some problem over here. You see, even the mason put some mark and then he forget to cut it or to cut out. Look, there's a mark here, which I was telling you. So this is the toilet for my mama, and then I will put some tiles also inside and some ceiling board. Oh man, and probably I think when I get like let me say approximate $300, I'll buy some tiles and ceiling board, and it will finish up. $300, I think it can finish up, man. Let's go. And maybe $300, to be honest, I'll purchase, I wanna say it soon. When I get $300, I'll purchase ceiling board, tiles, and then put up and down, and then remain with the sinkers for the toilets. And actually, guys, me, I wanna show you, and then you prefer which sinker I wanna put for my mama. There is a sinker for sitting, and then you relax, and then you put your foot, boom, inside here. So maybe one day, one time, you'll be pay a visitor to my village here, and they will use this toilet, man. Trust me, one day you will use. Woo! We had a lot of work to do, but today's videos are not about on other project. So I'm updating you, new upcoming 3-bedroom for my mama dream house, guys. And this is how my village looks like. So man, these are my grandma land, and let's go. So so let's go and see what is going on. So I want to show you other side, which when I bought some materials, they were pour it there. Oh, whew. Guys, just a minute. There's some stuff which which make my camera to be look or I touch with some mud, guys. So just a minute, guys. I'm rubbing something here. There's some dog here eating some chicks for their hands. So I'm going to other side for my material. So I'm heading this way and to see what is going on. Whew. As I told you, one day I will create maybe something else to my mom. And this is my brother's house. So to be honest, 3-bedroom will be reached here, this side here, and go to other side, and then we have some porch at the back and front, you know. So later we'll come to talk with my mom because she was washing my sister, and I will come to tell my mama how we'll do all these things. But when I bought some materials and it's enough, I could demolish this house. But for now, my mama, they can use that house for just a meanwhile, you know. And man, me, I feel so bad when my mom, maybe when I was young, she take care of me, everything. I depend on my mom, and right now maybe I'm the firstborn, so I must do for my mama things which are very, very special. And for me, man, I'm okay to my house, 100%. I'm okay, but I'm feel that pain. One day my mama could have some 3-bedroom house. I don't want to build a huge house which can bring me a lot of hectic, whoa, blah blah, ABCD. No, I want to build 3-bedroom which I can manage, and that 3-bedroom, it's have master bedroom, 2-bedroom, and the kitchen maybe, and washroom inside. So we have the free land here, and my grandma tried to saying this land will be left the way you see here, and then maybe in case when you have maybe an event going around to my home or some ceremony, you can put here some tent. You do your own ceremonies, your event going on here. So we do so. And this is the material that I will remain with, and will use for my mama dream house. This one here, as I told you, and we have the sand here. So tomorrow's videos, I want to surprise my mom with one tipper for the stones. When I say the stones, is this one here. These huge stones, you see. And then guys, there's some dog here, village dog. So that lorry will come this way and then rotate and then pour here. Maybe for the next, it will come and then pour here. I want to put here 2 tippers of the stones, this big one, and then the rest will start from where. So, and actually this, I want to pour here some sand, so the rest will be here. So I want to pour here some stones here, there, and then the sand will be enough. So when I get 3 tippers of the sand, I think it could finish the house for my dream house for my mom. And actually, guys, this is early updation of my mama dream house. Be aware, guys, don't miss this video for today. And it have a good message ever. So me, for now, I left this land. I will never plant again the maize anymore. So who in charge of this land? Because my brother is going to school and they want to invest maybe some money here, so planting maybe some maize and all stuff. So he need maybe to buy some fertilizer, some seeds to plant. And actually today he was plowing other side from down coming up. So tomorrow's videos, it wanna start from here when my brother finishing plowing the garden, and the rest will be going to check the material for my mama dream house. I'll keep saying dream house, dream house, dream house. Guys, keep supporting me by saying dream house, dream house, dream house up to the end. So we came to check our cows and then we boom. So let me show you where my brother, he was planting the garden. Look, we done a contract, and then the money, the contract which we have make with my grandma, and we have already gone. So it's my brother who in charge of this land over here. So I came to check our cows and then we left. Look, you want to become aggressive? No. Be a friend of mine. What's up? You good? Look, I came to check the cow, and actually you see guys, right there, that's where my brother plow in the morning, and then I think tomorrow they wanna finish this place. So before he left my home, went to school for the studies, he wanna plant something maybe here. When he get money, actually he wanna send to us, and then we found people to dig for him some maize. Whoa. But I will take care of my brother's maize when he was not around. When he went to school, we'll take care of the maize. But he will send the money. Oh, you go and see maybe 1, 2, 3 people to dig the land, and then you pay him some money. So that's the work that we left with it when he went back to school for the studies. In the future, he became a teacher. This is our cow here. What's up? Yeah, it's okay, it's all right. And I have their mom here. We have their mom here. Mama. Hey, we have our beautiful cows in our village here. Oh man. So let's go. Hey, there's some blackjack here. I don't know why. Man, on today's videos, it's just like a debate, but I'm updating you earlier. So let me know in the comment section, do I build my mama dream house 3 bedroom? It's enough. I don't want to build my maybe 10 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 3 bedroom. So you come to check this one here. It's okay, guys. Let's go. And we consult with my mom where we place the house, because we have a small land, but we want to fix some house. We came like nucleated family, or I don't maybe when I'm saying clustered family, is one house there, another one found right there. So we want to become close. We became close to my parents. And I don't know who dropped this balance stones. So I would ask my mom, because I use a lot of money to purchase these balance stones over there. So I don't know who throws those balance stones. We're heading this way, and today's videos are very, very special. I can't complain, man. This is my grandma home. Mama, tutanye mahara, tutikana na nyabuni. Tutanye mahara. Mahara. So guys, because I don't want to show you, my mama, she was washing my sister there. So I'm telling her to come, guys. Whew. So we just have some talk to my mom, and where we can place a 3-bedroom for a dream house. Whew! Guys, you think that I'm joking, but it's a serious matter. Here, and we cut these trees here. We tried to make some conversation with my mom, and then right at all, when maybe the engineer came, maybe next year, by God willing, we shall cut these trees alongside, down. Whoa, let's see. Mom, hey, enjoy. So my mama, she doesn't have any clue, but this early updation, so we try to purchase some materials for my mama dream house. Sorry, when time reach. So mom, I have a good message for you, and actually I want to make you to be happy for now. At least when I get the money, I want to buy some, or to purchase some materials for your dream house. And then you struggle a lot since I was young, and I feel so pain. And at least when I get some money, I want to spend on buying some materials. So guys, let me tell my mama in Swahili. So mama, nataka nikununulie, nikipata pesa, nataka niwe nanunua material ya nyumba polepo. So I want to build for you 3-bedroom house. Okay? So guys, as earlier I was talking about in English, so I'm telling my mama when I get the money soon, like tomorrow's videos is to buy some stones for the hardcore, for the ground, slowly, and then these videos I'm going to my friend or my neighbor who will make for me some bricks for my mom. And actually it's a pressure to be here. We thank God for the gifts of life. Man, I'll build my mama a house when he's still alive and enjoy for everything, enjoy the fruits of their sons. So mama, hapa nyumba inaweza tosha room 3. So from other side, guys, maybe want to expand, and mom, later on we cut these trees here, but not for now. When time reach, when the material are on the ground and everything, we cut these trees down, and then I build for you a house. So for me, guys, oh, there's some insect. Let's go this way, ma'am. For me, guys, on the mud house, I'm just okay. I can't complain. Man, these things, we studied it slowly by itself. Mom, come this way because of the sun. Ooh. Let me see, guys. Where can I stand? Oh, mom, come this way. Yes. So, mom, maybe, I think 3-bedroom, it can reach maybe somewhere here. And then put some porch inaitwa corridor ya nyuma na mbele. So guys, I was telling my mama they wanna build a 3-bedroom. At the back we have some porch, and at the front we have some porch, and here we build maybe some perimeter wall to prevent for your privacy for your house. So I'm promising you this, and I want to do so because earlier I was telling my audience I want to build you a modern toilet. I keep pushing, saying every day, one day I build you a toilet. Sini kujengea choo. And we almost done. So we remain with maybe tiling and putting some tiling, putting we calling ceiling board. So I want maybe the end of September you're able to enjoy by using a modern toilet. Yes? So how do you say for my audience who watch my videos? Unasemaje kwa mashabiki wanaowatch video zangu? Thank you. Yes. So my mama said thank you to my fans who are watching my videos and keep supporting me. Man, one day I'll build my mama dream house. But I think next year when I'm still alive, I could make my mama to be smile. So mom, much love, guys. But I don't want to disturb my mom long time. She was feeling so sick. Go and rest, mom. And do music. Yes. So guys, I'm heading this way. I want to show you there is one guy we keep make some conversation with him. So I'm heading this way. I'm heading this way. So to show you that guy when I get the money slowly, I will pay him, but he need 40,000 Kenyan money to make for me 10,000 bricks for my mom dream house. And actually, I feel so happy. But when I get the small amount of the money, I will just keep invest in construction, man. Me 100%, I love construction, and construction will never went bad, will never went wrong, as long as you believe one day it could be happen, man. Whew, let's go. So I'm heading this way, and this is the road that I using going back to my home, man. So let's go. Whew. And technically, let me know in the comment section what did you think about this video for today. Give a like, and I know for the haters they don't like it, but for my fans, let's move to strive for excellence. This road going to Nyabohanse, and this one that I'm using for now, it's going to Border Town. When you go this way and then you branch that way. So let's go. Whew. Wow, man. So guys, oh, my camera is overheating. I don't know why. Oh, let me open like that. Look guys, how African land looks like, and it's so fertile land. Eee. We have some cows over here grazing alongside the road. Man, look at this cow. Look. Totally grazing, and it's healthy. Woo. So I'm going down to show you the guy who maybe soon will make for me some bricks, 10,000 bricks for my mom dream house. Me, I'm just keep silent, but when I wake up maybe one day like today, it keep push me to say, let me say about the truth, about my life struggle, about the struggle of my life, you know. Me, I can't hide anymore. So we head this way, down, 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 and I will show you. But that guy, he was camera shy, but I'm trying to explain a little bit. And if you're watching my current videos, he was trying to like throwing some bricks to my brothers. I see some people running the camera. I don't know why. So this is our neighbors bought the land here, and they want to construct a big house. From the far end, you see some bricks, some blocks. I mean, so let me show you. But in the morning, I brought that guy here for their land. So this is the blocks. Maybe guys, I want to know in the comment section, you prefer these blocks or bricks? And this one costs a half USD. This one. So let's go this. So his name is Robbie. So he was the guy who will make for me in future. Maybe not in future. He was the one who make for me some bricks, and he's just over here, guys. Robbie, yes. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, hi, guys. So come here because of the sun. This is the fire to burn the bricks. So guys, one day I'll talk with this guy here, and actually he was my neighbor, to make for me 10,000 bricks.
Yes, it is true.
It is true, Sindio.
Yes.
So I was on planning to build my mama dream house, and then maybe I think on November I will pay you 30,000 Kenyan money. Okay. You make me 10,000. When it's already the 10,000, I'll pay you back.
Yes.
So
that's what I agree with him.
So he was the one who makes some bricks here and sell it, and when he gets some profit, he built the house. We have another one over there, and man, this is how we struggle, man, in our village. And also even me, I'm struggling, and also him, he was struggling here. So yes guys,
what I done.
But for me, you make for me by using a bigger Nah, those stuff for making bricks. I don't want this small.
That is how you make it. Yes, we take this one and you maintain.
Let me stand here. Maybe I should have the rest and the other on the room. Okay.
Yes, this is how we make it. So they don't have to make a clock.
So let me ask you, 10,000 bricks.
Yes.
You can make for how many long?
That's almost 3 weeks.
10,000?
No. 10,000 bricks. That is almost 1 month.
1 month.
Yes, it is will be
So
enough.
when you start November, the 1st November,
Yes.
you wanna end up the last November.
Yes.
Okay.
It will be completed the 10,000 bricks.
Okay, so you make for me 10,000 bricks,
Yes.
and then you left him to dry enough, and then I'll give you the money to purchase some firewood. You burn, and then you left here.
Yes.
So when the time reached to build my mama dream house, I'll come with the guy who has maybe some tractors
Yes.
to transport the bricks. When guys we make the bricks, it's like black, but when it's dry and then you burn, it looks like this one, red in car or the yellowish in car. So maybe it depends on the comment section, guys. Oh, I'm so speechless. So when it's already burned, it look like this one, but when you want to make on the ground, it look like this one. So Robbie,
Yes.
that's on my message that I'm passing through for you soon. So we remain with how many months? Maybe let me say we are in the month of the end of maybe August. So November, August, November. Oh, we got September, October. We remain only. We give me 2 months. The rest you make some bricks. I'm telling you the reality. So guys, keep it look, and I'm not blagging things. He was the one who make maybe the reason why he made for me some bricks here. At home there, we didn't have some borehole. So for him, God bless him, he have some borehole there, and it have a lot of water. And actually, when I'm building my toilet, my mama tried to fetch water on her land here at the borehole there. Let me show you the borehole, guys. You know, it's good when I'm giving you some story, you're able to see what I'm talking about. I'm heading this way, guys. This is some bananas over here. Wow, guys. And he made some bricks over here. I'm telling you, you see the hole? He was making here some bricks. And this is the borehole here, which I was telling you. Look, you see the water? We have full of water inside. And he fetched here water. He make here some bricks for easement. And for now, at home there, man, we didn't have some borehole. So it's need you maybe to go to the river. So it's so soon. Woo. Let's go. Do you see? Let's check camera hango sa kianyo. Nta kumerika. Na koletere. Wanguja kinna wote machino chihamu. So he needs some money for making bricks. I'm telling him, give me 2 months. I'll give you 30,000. That's almost to $300. He'll make for me 10,000 bricks, and then the rest of $100 I will pay him when he finish making bricks. So I was passing here to cross. I'm using the shortcut to go to my other side, and actually it was our land. Whew. Hey. Woo. African lifestyle. We just pass to people's land and no one who can chase you. Oh, go far away. Here we do what you want to do. And you see the materials on the ground, and actually that's the balance stones. 2 tippers. I think so. 2 tippers over there. We have the stones. Many of them, plenty of them here. For the ground stones. You see? Plenty of them. Look. And here he was building, and actually in future he will be my neighbor. We was talking with him today. So this is the septic over here. Look. This is the septic. You see? And maybe when he go deep, he wanna find some water. I'm telling you the reality. Because of this sand here. You can see, look, wow. So he planted some fruits, and this is the thorn fence here, and this is our land where my mama normally plants some maize, and it's a small land. So this is the boundary of my neighbor. You see the thorn fence, and let's go. These are passion trees over here. Hey, whew. So this is the boundary. If you see the sisal, this is the boundary, man. Oh. And he has a huge garden for pineapple plantation. Look, huge pineapple plantation. Let me show you. This is the pineapple. Look, you have many of them, and whew, this is a crazy thing here. This one, it's remain here, but we'll remove it here. We'll move it here. Actually, our land, the boundary is there, over here. That you see the thorn fence and go that way. So simply because when you are not come to check your land, one day you realize that maybe the neighbors try to push you, and when you're talking about on that issue, it's gonna bring you some problem, which is not good. And guys, I want to reach home to end these videos, and I think are very, very special videos ever. This is the boundary. You see, this is the boundary here. When you see the sisal, and locally, our old parents try, maybe when you bought the land, they plant this sisal. But nowadays things change. Yeah, people come with different method, different technique. When you bought the land, maybe you put some steel bar and then you smear the concrete forever and you forget it. Whew. I reach home, and at this moment I want to take lunchtime. It's so late, but it's good. Whew. So I'm filming today. I want to end my videos at home here, and then we shall boom. Guys, thank you so much. May God bless you for my all fans outside there. And in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, comment, share my videos, like, and drop the sweet comment. And also all the way positive vibes. I'm just focused here, right, left at the center, for all my energies, all my effort to make my mom to feel better in future life. At least you make your mom, when he's still alive, some maybe good things. And I'm pray we live long life with my family, guys. Whew. I'm so tired, but man, today I wish you happy Sabbath. Let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow. And may God bless you abundantly, guys. Bye bye. I love you guys. I love you guys. Bye bye.